Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel! Time check muna tayo. So, time check. It's 2 p.m. and today is Monday, May 25 of 2020. Kamusta kayo? As you can see, meron tayong Globe at Home Prepaid WiFi. This is for 999 pesos only. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. So today, we will do unboxing. Alamin natin kung ano yung laman ng Globe at Home Prepaid WiFi. Okay, buksan na natin. Ang galing. And there's a reminder here. As usual, do not accept if seal is tampered. Ay, mabuksan. There. Dami niyang laman. Ano ba ito mga ito? Okay, mahalagang basahin ang user guide. What's in the box? Okay. First, we have the modem with installed SIM. Okay. Number 2, we have modem power supply. Okay. I guess this is here. Oh, okay. So I think this is the modem power supply. Yeah. Number 3, we have LAN cable. Number 4, yung user guide. Number 5, the warranty certificate. Then, modem layout. Kailangan daw natin malaman kung ano bang meron sa modem natin. Oh, I like this. Kasi merong stand. Testing natin kung gumagana. Let's try. So, sa harapan niya, meron siyang tatlong parts. Number 1, yung power indicator. Number 2, Wi-Fi indicator. Number 3, signal strength indicator. Okay. Meron ding number 4 and 5, power button, WPS button sa taas. And then sa baba, ang SIM card slot. Okay, I think this is the SIM card slot. Meron kasing sticker, do not tamper, warranty void if seal is broken. Okay, hindi namin bubuksan. Number 7, 8, and 9 sa likod. Meron tayong reset button, power button, and LAN port. Okay. So, paano na siya bubuksan? Ito. Okay, so paano daw buksan? Number 1, isaksak. Siyempre, kailangan natin isaksak para magkaroon ng power. Oops. Okay, umiilaw na yung power icon. Ano naman tawag dun? So, umilaw na yung power indicator. Nakalagay dito is wait for the lights to turn on. Okay. Bukas na yung lights. Connect. Open your Wi-Fi settings. Select your Wi-Fi network. And use your LAN key as your password. By the way, sa likod, may mga nakasulat pa dito. I'll take a photo so you can see it on screen. Meron ditong basic troubleshooting steps. And then, meron din nandito na rin yung Wi-Fi name and password. So, i-connect na natin. So, according to the user guide, pumunta daw tayo sa Wi-Fi settings. Okay, pumunta tayo. And then, i-type na natin ang password. Ang password niya ay sobrang haba. Okay, let's continue. Okay, I'm connected na. Tingnan lang natin mabilis yung speed test. Tingnan natin kung gaano kabilis yung internet. Alang bangkan. Anyway, this is not important. What's important is inside the box. Kung curious kayo kung anong speed ng internet, I'll let you know in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, ang speed niya is 2.59 Mbps for download. For upload, it's 1.68. I consider this slow. Pero hindi ko masisisi ang Globe kasi during this quarantine period, maraming gumagamit ng internet. Probably sa lugar ko, sobrang dami. Tapos siguro, mababa yung signal ng Wi-Fi connection kasi maraming, siguro dahil sa location. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. So, that's our unboxing. This is my first time doing it. So, patawarin nyo ako kung medyo hindi maayos. Anyway, I do accept tips on how to do better in the future. Just comment down below. Okay? Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell.